Hello fans and obsessive YouTube nerds, it's me again, Safari Al. Today we're going hunting for the buck-toothed beaver, bear, wolf, monkey, weasel thing creature. I have no idea what it really is. But we're going to kill it and then we're going to collect its rare pelt. But before we do that, I'd like to give my regards to Chongo. Chongo is my redneck assistant, as you probably know. You should recall that last time on the show, we were hunting the rare white American lapdog. It bit Chongo, and the poison from its bite killed him within 3 hours. It overcame his nervous system and started dissolving his skin. In his last minute, his words were, get this freaking crap out of me. Take me to a hospital, you morons, I'm dying. Oh, Chongo, we said, always the kidder. It was actually pretty funny now that we think about it. But Chongo died. He started making all these horrible screaming noises, but we couldn't really tell what they were because his tongue and lips had already dissolved. What are you gonna do? Right, let's get hunting. This one's for Chongo. Walking down this two-track trail in the woods of southeastern Washington. There's been many snowstorms lately. There's ice everywhere, but the snow's already gone. Be very quiet. We're nearing its territory. Oh, what's that? I think I see it. Kill you like I did the Lindenberg baby. Dang it, I missed. He's making phallic signs at me. He's dead, haha. Now to claim my prize. What's this? He's still alive. But how? Die! Armageddon! Oh crap, I tripped on the ice! Yeah! Strange how much it resembles a little kid wearing a wolf mask. But that's impossible. Everyone knows there's no such thing as little kids. He's hiding in the woods. Oh well, I guess we can always plunge into the deep dark woods with no idea what could be waiting in there for us, and only one shot left in my gun. I mean, what? Come on, what could possibly go wrong? Oh my god, my flesh! Oh god! It's the worst kind of horrible pain! Oh my god! My intestines are in my mouth! Oh my god, I swallowed my lip!